Look how fast it is. Drop it down. The water goes down, then it turns off. All right, today we're gonna bring a very powerful pump, a water pump, if you guys can see it. They give you adapters here, so you could pretty much set it up however you want. If it's pretty much any holes that you have. I like that it's powered, and they also has a floating device, so to see the depth of the actual water. All right, this is gonna float up, drain it out. This is gonna push the water out, all right? And it's gonna suck the water from the bottom where it has a little bit of filters. If you guys can see that, it's plastic filter, of course. So we're gonna sunk this one into a big bucket. We want to see how fast this thing is, because those that are having issues with pools, taking your water out of the pool or a pond, or maybe you have some water in your basement, this is a perfect way. So let's test it out and see how fast it is and how powerful it is. This test, we're gonna take the entire bucket water out and fill this whole dish plate with the water. So we're gonna see how fast this thing works, and we're gonna set up our adapters and set it up and see the quickness of it. Scenario, we're gonna put in the side entrance. All right, you could put plumber's tape here, but because it's gonna go underwater, we're not gonna really need it yet. But if you ever need, you can always put plumber's tape here, and make sure this is facing up, so you could make sure nothing's gonna hit this thing. All right, because you need the entire water to be submergible in order to start sucking in water. All right, so let's go see how fast it is. We'll move back a little bit. Go underwater all the way through. Floating device, there it is. The floating device starts up as soon as you pick it up, and when it goes down, it drops. All right, that means the water is low. You pick it up again, fast. That was a quick process. Look at that. We got to do it again. That was too quick. That was too quick. So the floating device tells you the depth of the water, right? So we're gonna do that again. Look how fast it is. Drop it down. The water goes down, then it turns off. That's it. That's pretty much it. Put it down, and we're set. All right, this thing is way powerful than I expected. I like the floating device. It's perfect for those that have deep water to unfilled. All right, just make sure that the floating device has to above the system in order to start working, or it's not going to work. Like you saw, I demonstrated it twice. I hope you guys enjoy the video.